it's Gina from WTI. I really wish that I could predict when an emergency might happen, but since I can't, I'm really happy that I have this first aid kit from ARCA. We keep this first aid kit with our go bags. That way, if we have to rush out of the house, I don't have to think twice about where I've put the kit. In my opinion, they thought of pretty much anything that a pet owner would need in order to care for a pet in an urgent situation. Some of the items that I especially appreciated are things like the cold pack, the thermometer, tweezers, safety pins. There's so many things that I can see you would really have a use for if you were caring for an injury or a wound. I think it was really insightful that they included a collar because since Elsie is a cat, we don't walk her around, but in an emergency situation, I would need to be able to contain her. So I really appreciate that they put that collar in here too. Thankfully, I haven't had to use anything in the kit yet, but it gives me peace of mind to know that it's here, it's ready to be used at a moment's notice, and I'll be able to care for whatever it is that happened to Elsie for a limited amount of time so that I can get her to a vet. Hopefully you won't have to go through a natural disaster or an emergency situation with your pet, but if you do, you'll be so glad that you were prepared. I'm so happy that I have this first aid kit on hand. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.